YouTube, it's Kharyzma, and in today's video I'm going to share with you some of my business inventory. Some of you know that I have expanded my business into cosmetics. I am now selling lip gloss and other cosmetics to come in the future, but I just wanted to give you guys an idea of some of the inventory that I am starting with. I officially launched my website, www.Kharyzma4u.com, yesterday, November 18th. Yay! And I just want to continue to document my progress so that I can see where I started and where I am at the time that I do watch the video, because I have high hopes and high dreams, and I'm going to, by the grace of God, reach my goals for my business, and so will you. So hopefully this video will help you out. Now, please keep in mind that I did not purchase all of this stuff at one time. I purchased as I could afford to buy stuff. So in the beginning, in March, I bought a lot of things, and then as I got money, I invested it all into my business, and yeah, so I just want to share some of the things with you that I have. So I have some orders that I ordered online and they came through. So we all know if you're starting a lip gloss business, you're going to need lip gloss tubes. So I purchased several squeeze tubes because I plan on doing wholesale. Guys, the wholesale orders will be available really soon, probably in the next week or so. And what that's going to be is if you want to start a lip gloss business and you need wholesale tubes or wholesale base or things like that, I'll be able to provide that to you. I also will be providing wholesale lip glosses. That means ready-made lip glosses that are already filled in the tubes, and all you have to do is put your labels on it and you're ready to go. That's for people who don't feel like making lip gloss. They don't have time to buy things and put together and whip up their own concoctions. I can also help you with that too. So that will be for another video, but I just want to show you some of the things that I got. So I got my squeeze tube. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 bags, guys. Do I have to show you? 9, 10 bags, and each of these bags have 85 in them. Yeah. These are a lot of these. So that's 852. My nail just broke. You didn't see that. And you probably wouldn't have known that if I didn't tell you. So yeah, I think I bought this one in August. So that's 852. And again, I'm gonna need lots of tubes for my individual glosses as well as my wholesale. And I'll be wholesaling empty tubes too. So yeah. So now I have another 2 bags. Now these tubes, and the first tubes that I showed you are just the clear tubes. They are, well, I can show you because those are, I don't want to open them. But the first bags that I showed you, they're just the clear 10 milliliter tubes, and they have the clear cap to match. Now these, on the other hand, are the 10 millimeter tubes, but they have the pink caps. So I just got two bags of these, and they're like 50 in each. So that's 100 of the pink top. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of clear tubes again. So these bags, I believe, are 100. So that's 500 tubes. Plus the 2, so that will make 600. So if you guys do your math, that's 850 plus 500 plus 100. See, I'm stocking up on my tubes because you're gonna need tubes. Now, the next box that I have are the silver tubes because Christmas is coming and my colors are Christmas. My colors are silver, pink, white, and black, I think, with some other colors, but those are my main colors for my brand, Kharyzma4u. So, and my wand tubes come with the silver top, like that. Those are my signature wand tubes. So for the squeeze tubes now, these have the silver tops. And so I have 2 bags of those. And I just bought 2 bags because I want to experiment and see. Because the tubes that have the coloring and stuff like that, they're more expensive. The clear tubes are the cheapest ones. Wand tubes are expensive as well, but as my business grows, I'll purchase the things that I'm not able to get now. As my business grows, then I'll purchase more of the wand tubes. So I have 2 bags of these, and yeah. So now I have 1. Did I count these already? I'm like totally confused. I have 1, 2. Okay, I didn't count these. 3 bags. So in addition to the other ones, these are squeeze tubes as well. So that's about another 100. I think these have 110 in them. So yeah, they're about 332. Yeah. So plus this one, so 400 and something. So guys, yeah, so those are my tubes, and I have more in my organizer. I'm gonna do a separate video as to what's in my organizer because you guys really like that video, and I'll send you the link of where you can get this too so you can organize your supplies because it comes in handy. I sew, so I have some of my sewing supplies here as well as my lip gloss supplies. I divided both of them, so I have half of the sewing and half of lip gloss stuff. But guys, as I'm getting more inventory, I'm gonna have to get more storage, so we'll see. I also got these address labels. I plan on doing my own labels for my tubes. When I started out, I purchased my labels. And I'll still do that, but I want to experiment with making my own labels. So these are the Avery Labels 6520, and they're the address labels, and they're the, I hope I got, yeah, glossy clear. If you can see that, you can screenshot it if you guys want to make your own labels. So I'll do a separate video for this. If there's anyone who wants to learn how to make their own labels, I will definitely help you guys with that. So I got that too, and that's from Amazon. I can put the link in my description bar so you guys can see that. So that's what I'm starting out with in terms of tubes. Now, what I have left is this big thing of base, and this comes from No Problema. Everybody knows about that company by now. And this is a 12-pound bucket of base. I also have from TKB a 3.5-pound bag of base. Yeah, that's what I'm starting out with now because I had some more base before, but I used it. So just so you know what I'm starting out with as of the website launch. I just bought some new flavoring oils. So I have coconut and vanilla mint and passion fruit rose. So I have some more. I wanted to get some bigger ones because the little ones by Loran, the little ones, let me show you. These little ones by Loran, I decided to save them for my starter kits instead of use these tiny ones for mine. What I'll do next time though, for the flavors that I do like from Loran, I'll buy the bigger ones like this instead of buying these tiny ones. I'm gonna use all of these tiny ones for my starter kits and then use the bigger ones for my individual glosses. So yeah guys, I think that's about it that I bought. Hey guys, I totally forgot these. I got these little 5-ounce little jars, and I got 50 of them. See, they're like the pink top with the it's clear, to put my mica powders for my starter kits. Let me show you right now. These are my mica powders, and I already have some in here. So you see, this is my honey gold. This is, I think this is rose gold. The camera's not focusing. This is purple. And this is the brown, dark brown cappuccino. So yeah, that's what I forgot to tell you that I bought, so I'm inserting that in now. These are too cute, right? These have my colors. Pink, I love it, love, love, love it. So I just want to give you an idea of the inventory that I'm starting with. I will continue this video so you can see the rest of my inventory, but I'm gonna do it in a separate video and I'll show you what's inside of here from the, I'll show you everything that's in my organizer, how I organize my business. But guys, my website is open. We officially launched yesterday, so please check us out at www.Kharyzma4u.com. Here are one of my lip glosses. This is clear. Everyone loves a clear gloss. So let me put this on. I do have some on now, but I'll put some more on for you. You can see it. Yep. That's my lip gloss. So, and it smells really good. I think the scent that's in here is the lavender lemonade. Lavender lemonade. Yeah, that's the one. So check us out, www.Kharyzma4u.com. Thank you guys so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye.